Dá uma olhada nessas daqui. Olha, ó. 2 joules. Ó. Ó, Rodrigo. Daqui pra frente é top, ó. É umas marcas diferentes, mas é. Yeah. Ó. 2 joules, é. Ali, ele tá trocando um cartuchinho ali, ó. Yeah, carry on, man. Yeah. Olha lá, colocando as BB ali dentro. How many BBs you go in? 6 in one per shot. Yeah. Vai 6 BB ali dentro. Cada uma ele vai dar um tiro ali. Ele tá fazendo um reload. É igualzinho uma de verdade mesmo, olha lá. Ó, faz o...
That's lovely. I'm not going to deprive you of the opportunity to raise this yourself. Do it one at a time though, because every drop shell.
Ele vai colocar lá, vai dar pro cara fazer um teste ali. O cara tá interessado no 38ão. É bonito de longe, né? Mas é aquilo, pro field acho que não, né? Na minha opinião, isso é na minha opinião, né? Tá numa distância até boa. Ele vai dar, ele tem que dar um foco. Vamos ver qual é o disparinho dela lá. Ó, it's loud.
So what about fan in the house? We
Look,
wouldn't actually do it here.
and precise as well.
Yeah.
Errou esse. Tá hot.
Is it a pull down brake or a pull up brake?
Legal. Rapaziada, dá uma olhada aqui nesse revolvão aqui. É do cara ali. What's your name, fella?
Mike.
Mike, look, he's got that. Where did you buy from?
I got it from Rift Airsoft.
Yeah, that's real metal. It's no plastic at all. It's actually, maybe it's the same weight of the real ones, yeah?
I would have thought so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Come on, look at that. Massive, bro. And there's 6 or 7 shots.
I think it's 6, haven't I?
Yeah?
So,
6.
yeah, 6.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's nice one. There's
Single action.
there's one.
So it's
Single
every-
action.
Oh, right.
Yeah, like a proper cowboy. Yeah.
What about the other one there?
The other one,
Oh, you got 2.
that's just a
Ah.
small HC.
So you
I
like
see.
that's it's a no. Yeah. That
Yeah,
one is
I
not.
was- yeah, I was
that
the
is no
cheaper one.
metal.
No.
But that one is real metal. It's really
Yeah.
heavy. So you are a proper cowboy. Then where's your hat? He's got a hat, cowboy. Look. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Thank you, bro.
No problem.